Ready to learn how to train biceps? Today we will focus on 3 exercises. You will need a set of dumbbells and a barbell that are suitable for you to curl. We want good form, so don't sacrifice this by cheating or straining. Let's go. First up, standing bicep curls. Grab your weights and stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your elbows close to your torso. Slowly curl the weights while keeping your upper arm stationary. Squeeze at the top and slowly lower. Keep it up. Next, we have preacher curls. Sit on the preacher bench with your arms extended over the pad and a barbell in your hands, palms facing up. Curl the weights up while keeping your upper arm stationary. Focus on the stretch at the bottom and squeeze at the top. Great work! Lastly, hammer curls. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the dumbbells with your palms facing your torso. Curl the weights while maintaining a neutral grip. This targets the brachialis muscle for a fuller arm look. Great job! You've just completed your arm workout. Remember to stretch and stay hydrated. For more workouts and fitness tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.